Hello guys, hello world, hello universe, it's me again. It's Fenwick. I'm doing a blog for my baking. Someone requested me to do a chocolate cake. It's for the baby gender reveal cake. So I'll show you the finished product with all the shebang, the what you call the decorations. Okay, so here the ingredients. The butter is already in the mixing bowl, light brown sugar, cocoa powder, eggs, and self-raising flour. So the next step is to add the sugar and the butter together. So mix it, beat them, whip it, whatever you call them, and then until they became light and fluffy. Okay, so as I said, I'm just gonna go put all together, sugar to the butter. Here it is. Yeah. So if you can see that one, so you done it, mix it, whatever, until it's light and fluffy, and then just add the rest of the ingredients in there. I'll show you in a minute. So I scrape on the side, so just add in everything. Sorry about that one. Cocoa powder, then eggs, then mix it, beat them, whisk it, whatever you do, whatever you called, to incorporate all the ingredients. Okay, and then it became soft. That's it. There you are. Until it's soft. Not soft. Why always I say soft? Smooth, I mean. Okay. Then after this, just transfer to the baking pan. So here, guys, it's in the baking pan. Yeah. And let's bake it for an hour. But you have to check it. Yeah. Until it's cooked. And at the same time, it depends on the your oven temperature. Hello guys, the cake is already cooked, but I think it's too much bit dry there, but I will scrape it to that one. Yeah, and then I will cut into half. Here it is, guys. The cake has been covered with just buttercream, and then after that I'll put the fondant on top of it.